mo akwaba biom de ba too much GH asomunia banana ma owusu ani ma yakrado said sama wodu abetodwa wunya se onso betimu ntem no mede ebesumu na ye hwe enensema yensa aka fa eye abayo social media personality biom so ye actress Moisha Budong ne nsem no ehun ne busofo abedum pepeso a sisia dey ne colleague actresses ne social media influencers ed woman no etu they are calling for help edi amano na nipa ba ko no sapa ponte be kasa afa ensem no ehun ene eye yenua ba Rosemond Brown adodo no anim no as Ekiapim Polo according to Ekiapim Polo no chia Moisha Budong nyama wo fem no eye ne yapa because wonim no ne chocho mucho no yonko pa ene eye Moisha Budong etime ma ye nya ne se ni so ene ye hu de komane wasakra nti oni ene obia o se obia sakra on ankonam Kristo nana muntu no yanko ankro ne yedeko untimi enye nkabo nhyiemu nkabo mu nko bebia ntine se obi eja ne pe edema ne so evangelism ne de keka ho na nti wo mama na hwa na asei na esesevia afina Moisha ene ni enim no ene na Moisha dabi osisa adema na ekoso no enye Ghana for ma enye hwenhan ewo Moisha ensem no ehun na emomu no yembo modia ne entwembe de sansa asem wote ye krampa ase na video yi ba se na nko ba beja ne ho e de hwe from that story building no a serious issue here pa se amanfo be chia be na emwa bia beboa na senkwan ne de na wasa pe nkwa na ne kwa nkwa no atena nkwam no be no ma yama na se na Moisha be koso atina se say oyo nipa oye humble ye sweet na okenia no se bisa se enti o asofo a womo enam mom so Moisha se say omko okọ ma sorry ko to nyum ni de keka hu videos beto odwa na enti omu nya ewe sorry for no mu dina say so to nyum bi ya ge ne de keka enti omu we enya sa abre mu na etro se wo mu nchiro do enya sa abre na se wo mu bata ne ho a enu mato na de je mu na se wo pe edeku ne ho nti na se ense fata cry bi so for ye ba ko tie Ekiapim Polo sisia ediaba na ansa na kra no me ka mo say dwumeko bi so ya se e ma e de dwumade yi ebremo o chat ye herbal center enka boy o se yemfa so mo ya we wo so se na tie bia no Momodi anefa omo aseye say ye yare krankro empokra no ye woni pedue mu wote nkase bi nkoye anakra po hunamani enye kama mawo ensu biem ha ho biem enfenchi sabre o chade aba se wo ba bedomo aboa wo nti de obebi a wo bia momodi anefa numbers na echegu ewase ho nefa ne from anase se wo Ghana man mu dia no obomodi akọ Accra ha dansu man wo mu branch bako ewo ena Tamale Northern Region mo sa wo branch for ha wo mo eboa so nipa ewo ne ya remu nti pomodi ane form numbers ne from na won so etimi esipi esita ewo abrabo mu na ebusuafo yenkotie Ekiapim Polo ensem wo eka efa eye Moisha the present state no ehun na ye babaka ebusuafo ensem udo bi abeto de ye revelation no so yaka won asem kakra
about my sister Moisha. And I don't know how you people saw the video, but me, the way I saw the video and the state I saw my sister, it's not joke, it's not funny, I beg you. My sisters, the celebrities, the big ones, the legends, please, don't let us sit down and say, thank God our sister Moisha has repented and doing evangelism. I don't know how to put it. But please, I beg you, let's see the bad side of this thing that is going on. Alencia said yesterday she nearly jumped off a building and they saved her. And that was when she started talking and saying all that she was saying. I see that my sister has been through a lot and she needed help. Where are the people? I saw some video last week that she has gone to church and she's fellowshipping with some church. Where are they? They should keep an eye on her. If they said they've changed her, they should keep an eye, visit her always in her house. People should be with her in the house. They shouldn't leave her to walk alone on the street. I beg you. Only God knows what is happening to our sister. We love her. She's our sister. We shouldn't sit down and wait till something happens before we will say, oh, Moisha is gone. Oh, God, she's too young. No, please, I beg you. We love Moisha. Whatever is going on, let's get close to her, talk to her, and see if we can help her. Please, I beg you. Please, the devil is working. I saw some people saying, thank God, she has changed, she's preaching. Did you see her state? And she was 30. Please, I beg you. She's our own. Moisha is a good person. So if she's going through some depression or something, please, we need pastors around her. We need our celebrities who can talk to her for her to calm down. We shouldn't leave her to be in the house alone. Please, I wish I can go to Moisha, go to close to her. If they say I should sit around her for the whole year, I can do that. I can volunteer and do that because I love her so much. She's going through a lot. Let's attend to her. I beg you. Let's attend to her and stop saying all those things they are saying. Let's look at what is happening to our sister. She's saying a lot. Let's pay attention to what she's saying when she talks. I beg you. She has been through a lot. Thank you.
It's your phone. I say, Captain Polo, so and watching at the Afa Moisha Budon. Yeah, the Okom Sisia, or when you say a year, how can say, only as a month for Beben. Nah, yeah, come Moisha and some. I buy you enough formally no where I don't go Peter's face. Artist and know what that one more banners and hold on adverts now, one no dear name a year, Mitch. I buy you and same thing, one also attend to crack and see what gun hang your boss social media wall. Wouldn't no dim up with that say, and yes, and get to me chair, I buy and ding Eddie Edusa for. Then I'm not able to Moisha and Semuna ask to how only Moisha, baby on him no one come on in the deep penny, the account there, first have them no tears again. Meet him non so. Nekasa ye muno akwet se de woni Moisha se woni de ba ya nam so Moisha obedu se pepe so ye ne ye hu ni se e wo video ye di kan e de kire mu emu na wono ne se wo de betu dwana sa bia ma manfo adwom ye kesina kakra ene se wo se she came across a business tycoon that's not human and had something to do with him. Kindly note that no blame game here because we all ain't virgins and have our dirty skeletons. The man exchanged her soul with death, but #Jesus and #Mercy said no. People close to Moisha should be attentive. Monitor her movement. Stay close, please. I prayed for her this dawn, and I will do always. All should remember her in prayers. It's deeper. Dear God, please help us all. I just say, Edusafua and some no so diabetes and now tiening some power no part say a business tycoon bia a Moisha Budon nini di shiates no nipa na so be se nipa our business tycoon and that's one Moisha ko di shia when say obikas wonye bed no obi di shia na se mpema bro e bia koso na was say according to Edusafua won mpema bro na course no exchange because ho instead of enkwa no business tycoon no wonye nipa no wo de Moisha enkwa edidani owuo edimantina nko owuo ya to Moisha nyankopon ye Jesus ne doba no hia no kwan so ne humobro eje Moisha edifi amaniemu na as to how Edusafo anim information when nia de Edusafo se metie ya me no ka sei me ga se me nimpa de na meboa eza se Edusafo de nim se the league de emfa hobi nanso ene Moisha ho ba asem no wono no akire mu se Moisha ne honhom business tycoon di hia ene ko wie ni se na manfo se empo krampo so wo mpa e man krampo sa kwa we so ena do betu jam ti Moisha po go through problem bi na e true se na wo ka ne bra no ena konya no wo man so be kasa na ebusofo ni asem sa aba efa Edusafo ensem no so de abeta ensem no wona ni niemu no ebusofo ye ni die chie ye mu ehwehwemu pa akodo ensem mo suka ase na be hu de wo mu bia enne de ye hu Moisha se na ye hu no na de wo mu bia so ni nya pe ye de beso mo sa akwa ni so ntimo so madwentwen mo de na mfanto ayen awo ye comment section e biam so mo share video way on all the social media platforms but mo de na follow TumaGH our Instagram Twitter so at @TumaGH_, Facebook @TumaGH mo so for na mo